Do you want to learn a rule that almost every videographer uses? As a beginner, you get a lot of information thrown at you all at once. You're expected to know the aperture, the ISO, the shutter speed, the exposure, the frame rate, the resolution, the color temperature. To log or not to log? That is the question. It can definitely get very overwhelming pretty quick. There's one thing I can help you with today, and that's your shutter speed. This is probably the easiest to remember, and it gives you time to figure everything else out as it locks in this one setting for you. The golden rule for shutter speed should be double your frame rate. So if you're like me and you shoot a lot at 24 FPS, then you'd use a 1/50 shutter. Most cameras don't have 1/48. So 30 FPS is 1/60, 60 is 1/120, you get the point. This will give you the most natural looking motion blur. Now there are use cases for higher or lower rates. These are usually a little bit more of like an artistic decision, but for now, just starting out, let's stick to the golden rule and you'll make it easier on yourself. Write it down on paper, write it on your hand, I don't care, keep it with you, and you'll never be lost at a shoot again.